no tomorrow.
I'm scared if I start talking, I'm going to start crying. So I'm sorry. That's why there's no intro today. I wanted to come on here today to say thank you to all of those that sent messages. There were tons and tons of messages. I thank you so much. All of those that, you know, have been praying for myself and my family. This is just, it's truly unbelievable. We don't know what happened. He was just found unresponsive. And so they're doing an autopsy. And so we should know something in like 3 to 6 months. I'm sorry. I just don't even know what to think. I feel so broken and empty, numb, angry, sad. It's like all of it, all at one time. And so I got up today and I decided that I would put on some makeup and fix my hair, and maybe it would make me feel better. But it didn't. Losing your child is literally the most painful experience. I could just crawl in the bed and stay there forever. But I've got 2 more kids that need me and that are hurting also. And I feel like I have to be very careful how I handle this situation, because Gracie and John Wesley are, you know, at that age where they're watching me, you know, they're going to see how I react to this, and they're going to be an adult one day and have to deal with stuff, and I want them to know how to handle it. But I don't know what to do.
Okay, sorry. The kids actually came home from school, so I came out to the car to finish talking to you guys because I don't want to obviously say anything to upset the kids or anything. So, but like I said, this video was honestly just to say thank you to all those that, you know, are praying. Please continue to pray. Please continue to pray. Because this is something that feels like it's never going to go away. I mean, how do you move on? How do you move on with your life? Somebody please tell me that. Where do you put that love that you have for your child? Where do you put it now? I don't know what to do. I mean, I know that Jace would want me to be happy and continue on and take good care of his brother and sister, you know, but how do you just pick up and act like it didn't happen? I don't know. It's caused me to question things that I've believed to be true my whole life. It's caused me to question God. I feel like I've just rambled through this, but I just wanted to come on here and say thank you to everybody. I appreciate you so much. And your messages really do mean a lot because, you know, when I'm feeling super down and this is just really like, I feel like I'm losing my mind, literally. I can read those messages and there are lots of other mothers that have lost children. It's not supposed to be that way. It's so unnatural. It feels so unnatural. I feel like somebody pulled something out of my body and took it away. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, y'all. I did not mean to get on here and this just be a big blubbering mess, but I love you guys, and I promise that I'll get some videos back up soon. I don't know. I'm going to take my time and deal with this. But something that I've been thinking about the last couple of days is, you know, this happened and I stopped doing the daily devotionals. And I don't want to do the daily devotionals. But I know that that's what the devil wants. So Monday, I'm going to start the daily devotionals again. We might have a daily devotional. We might just have a teetotal crying fest. I don't know. But we're going to try it because we're going to fight this. I'm not going to let the devil stop me. I refuse to let him stop me. So anyways, like I said, I'm going to have a video up Monday on the daily devotional. I don't even know what number we were at. I honestly don't remember much of the last couple of weeks. So you guys just bear with me. But I just wanted to say thank you. I love you guys. And I honestly could not go through all of this without your support. It means so much to me. So please just keep praying. I guess that's it. I love you all very, very much.